I just wanted to show you that my scooter broke. It's not working anymore. It's not working anymore. It's not that hindi nga siya kumagana. Hindi nga siya. Nakakaikot. Ito ng rami. Ayun o. Tumagang yun o. Ayun o. Magat yan. Ayaw mag, take it. Ayun o. Nakakailok. Okay. There's my sticker, but it broke. And my wallet broke. Why is it second? And my brace is broke here. Why this is broken? So I'm gonna say